Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna have a little special guest here, Kobe, because I think he's having a bit of a separation anxiety. He just won't let me put him down. Anywho, we are going to film a review and it will be on the Hapa Kristin One&Only Kristin contact lens, which I have right here and I have it on me right now, and I'm trying to give off like that Woon-young vibe going on with the beret and stuff, but you know, she's obviously like 10 times prettier. But anyway, Jang Woon-young is the new muse of Hapa Kristin, and so I want to film a review on this One&Only Kristin because it looks beautiful on her. It is one of the 3 contact lenses that she is promoting on Hapa Kristin, and I will be doing a separate Woon-young Hapa Kristin contact lens collection as well after this video has been released, but we're gonna be solely focusing on the One&Only Kristin. So let's get the video started. With this One&Only Kristin, when they first released it, they released it as like a monthly contact lens, and that was sold out within 3 days apparently. They have brought it back now, and now they have a monthly one and a one-day one as well. So for the monthly one, it is $25.99 USD, and obviously it lasts for a month. And the one-day one is $19.99 for 10 pieces, which means it's 5 pairs. I thought the diameter would be big because looking at Woon-young's eyes, I thought it was like really big as well. But I think her and my eyes are similar in terms of the dimension, because this contact lens is 13.0 for the graphic diameter, which is actually not too enlarging, and the oral diameter is actually 14.2. I've noticed with this contact lens was when I saw this in the picture, I thought that it reminded me of the over sentimental Kristin, which I absolutely love. I think end of last year. But actually opening up the packaging, the first thing I thought of was actually the Secretive Kristin collection, because the pattern for that definitely has that crescent moon going on as well. It's actually like the blurrer, lighter effect of the lighter version of the Secretive Kristin, because once you put it on your eyes, you can't really see the crescent moon much, but very vague. But one thing that really reminds me in terms of this design is like an anime eye. So an anime eye, I'll put like a little graphic here as well so you guys know what I mean. Where you get that crescent moon pattern, then you get another color on the top or on the bottom, and then you get like that 2 dots that gives you like that reflection and make your eyes look like very reflective and like, you know, shiny. This contact lens gave me that vibe, and I'm absolutely in love with it because honestly, it just gives me like an anime eyes. Like what you see on Woon-young eyes, you will get it if you put this on, which I think is absolutely beautiful. One thing I noticed with the Secretive Kristin collection is that when you put it on, I did mention that obviously the crescent moon will move around, which makes it really obvious that it's like upside down or it's on the right or on the left, and you always have to try and fix it to leave it at the bottom. But because this One&Only Kristin, the crescent moon is so subtle, you don't even need to worry about it moving around because it just looks so mesmerizing. It looks so gorgeous on the eyes, and the color of that crescent moon is like a golden brown, and on top you get that grayish looking. I also noticed it has like dots around the crescent moon as well, which I feel like maybe that's how it gives you that, like, you know, I told you that shine dots around the eyes. Maybe that's why. And also the border is much more sharper looking as well, like it has some stripe going in, which means that it actually blends into your original eye color, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Like when you first saw it, you would think that the border is really thick, but when you actually put it on, it's actually not that bad at all, and I actually absolutely love it. And I wish I actually have the daily ones with me because currently I only have the monthly one, but I can see why this is so popular and how it can sell out so quickly, and I'm really glad they did release the daily version, because if not, I would have been like, I would ask for a daily version as well. And honestly, like, I love it so much. I've stayed on my eyes for a long time today and a few times because I absolutely love the turnout of this. So yeah, that is my review on this, and I will also put like comparisons here as well if I find other similar contact lens from Hapa Kristin, but I honestly feel like there's actually not many because I actually find this contact lens very unique. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and definitely stay tuned for my part 2 where I will show you guys all 3 contact lenses that Won-Young is wearing from Hapa Kristin. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Gabi, say bye. Say bye. Say bye, guys. Say bye bye. Alright, bye guys.